Welcome back to PD Artography. This is part 1 of the brush tool tutorials. Let's see how to make a custom shape or text brush preset in Photoshop 2019. Make a new document of 2500 pixels width and 2500 pixels height and 150 pixels per inch resolution. Select any shape and make any design you want, but make sure you fill it with black color. Merge everything together. Now go to Edit, click on Define Brush Preset. Name your brush, hit OK and your new shape brush is created. Select Brush Tool, right-click, and you will find your custom brush at very last on the list. The method of making text shape brush preset or any kind of brush preset is same. Just make sure every design you create must be filled with full black color. See you guys in next video.